The Minister for Security, Major General Jim Muhwezi, has appeared before the Human Rights Committee to answer issues related to the growing violation of people's rights and torture in the country. The minister told the committee that security safe houses are only used for operational activities and not detaining people.
Okay, it could be a VIP, It could be for work, which is not for the public, not in a training school, but you have a safe house where you train your people in a particular way. Those are the safe houses. But security agencies do not operate safe houses for purposes of detention.
On the alleged increasing torture of suspects by security officers, the minister noted that government does not condone torture. On the use of drones, minister says security is free to use any type of vehicle while causing unrest. The committee later presented a list of some Ugandans who have gone missing since November 2020 and asked the minister to present a report on the matter.
Has government taken interest in knowing who these people are? It's a tough situation because we can go to arrest a murderer with sirens. That we can do. How many we shall catch? Your guess is as good as mine. So we can come and say now that the people of Uganda have decided that the government must come in full force. So we say now, if you know you're going to arrest so and so in Jinja, put on sirens from Kampala so that everyone knows it is police coming.
So even when court has ruled, has given bail, if the state has any reason, has another case against you, it can detain you and bring you back to court. So that's what happens. So using drones, I was telling the committee that drone is a name you have coined. They are vehicles. So the security may use those vehicles to transport people to detention centers, but gazetted detention centers.
The committee also met with the Attorney General, who told them that government has so far spent $3.5 billion on compensating torture victims.
Who are at fault, we have actually reached out and have started a conversation and have actually compensated some. Where we have found that the government was not at fault, Mr. Chairman, even if it resulted in a death, we are continuing with the defense of the position of government. Like I said before, we have and cannot shy away from the responsibility to maintain law and order.
Minister for Information and Technology, Dr. Jim, while appearing before the same committee, told members how human rights violation has decreased in the country, contrary to what the media is reporting.
Which are unfortunate, and as government, when they happen, we investigate. And if our officer is responsible for torturing an individual, that officer has to be brought to book. And the person tortured should have remedies. And we have a person can register a case with the police or petition the Human Rights Commission. And as you have seen from previous reports, the Human Rights Commission is active. It investigates these cases. Government has lost cases.
Shamim Naiga, Gloria Gutabinchi, UBC News.